Invictus is a short poem by the Victorian-era British poet William Ernest Henley. It was written in 1875, and published in 1888 in his first volume of poems, Book of Verses, in the section Life and Death. Latin for unconquered, the poem, Invictus, is a deeply descriptive and motivational work filled with vivid imagery. With 4 stanzas and 16 lines, each containing 8 syllables, the poem has a rather uncomplicated structure. The poem is most known for its themes of willpower and strength in the face of adversity, much of which is drawn from the horrible fate assigned to many amputees of the day, gangrene and death. Each stanza takes considerable note of William Ernest Henley's perseverance and fearlessness, throughout his early life and over 20 months under Lister's care. In the second stanza, Henley refers to the strength that helped him through a childhood defined by his struggles with tuberculosis when he says, "I have not winced nor cried aloud." In the fourth stanza, Henley alludes to the fact that each individual's destiny is under the jurisdiction of themselves, not at the mercy of the obstacles they face, nor other worldly powers. Invictus, by William Ernest Henley. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be, for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud, under the bludgeonings of chance. My head is bloody, but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of the shade. And yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Thank you for watching. Click the link below for more poetry videos. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more educational materials.